Alright, this is J1181977 here. For the final part of my video for the Ps3 ylod of death. And here we go, let's see what happens. Hold on real one sec. Cause I'm recording this on my iPhone and like really hard to hold one. And can you just hold on a second? Thanks. Here it is. I just took out my Ps3 from the fan. And here's the Ps3. Let's see if it works. Hook it back up. HDMI cable is... oh shit. There you go. And let's hope for the best. There it goes. I just did it. Ps3 ylod live death fix. I just saved you about $75. And if you want to give me a donation, just send it to LIL_CHEPO@yahoo.com. Thank you, and just have a nice day, man. And if you ever need me to do it for you, you could just send me your Ps3 and 100% warranty. I'll fix it for you. I also could do the break apart fix, but it's too much work. But I just give it to you. If you want to do that, I'll give it to you for $30. It doesn't matter, man. Just hit me a subscribe, and thank you, man. Have a good day.